In today's activity, you're going to make a sun finder. It's sort of like a picture that you can move to show where the sun is at any time of day. Your sun finder will help you figure out where I should go. Using it, you can see the path that the sun takes between sunrise, over here, and sunset, over here. To make your sun finder, you'll need one of these. It's called a paper fastener. It connects two pieces of paper in a way that lets them spin, like this. Okay, I'll tell you how to make a sun finder, step by step. You need a handout, a pair of scissors, and a paper fastener. When you're done with this step, click the arrow on the right. Get these supplies. You need a handout, a pair of scissors, and a paper fastener. When you're done with this step, click the arrow on the right. On the thick black lines like this. When you're done, you'll have two pieces. The big piece of paper shows the forest, and the small one shows the sun. Poke the paper fastener through the top hole. Then turn the paper upside down like this. If you need help, work with someone. Turn over the paper with the sun on it. Slide the hole over the paper fastener like this. Spread the prongs and flatten them, like this. Trace the word east. That's where the sun rises every morning. Then trace the word west. That's where the sun sets every evening. Practice making the sun rise over my friend's house, the white one, and practice making the sun set behind my house, the gray one. Turn and talk. How can the sun help me get back to my house in the afternoon? Should I walk towards the sun or away from it? Here's what I figured out. Now remember, I told you how I got to my friend's house by walking from my house through the forest all morning in the direction towards the sun. I hung out for a while at my friend's house and then needed to head back home in the afternoon. But once I got into the forest, I lost my way and didn't know which way to go. So what should I do? Should I follow the sun? Wouldn't that just take me back to my friend's house? Well, in the morning, the sun comes up over here, in the east. It's the same direction as my friend's house. But while I hung out at my friend's house for a few hours, past lunchtime, all the way in the afternoon, the sun changed its place in the sky. During that time, the sun would now move to being over here in the sky. It would be in the direction of west. So by the afternoon, the sun was over my house. So I should just keep following the sun in order to get home. See, you can use the sun to help you if you're lost. Stay curious and see you next mystery.